Hey, this is Kurt. I want to introduce you to TopChart. Just do a little demo here. So you can go to topchart.io and you'll want to log in. I like to use Facebook to log in because I'm lazy. So when you first get to your home page here, you will want to build a list. As you can see, there's other activity on lists um, that you've collaborated on. Today I want to build a list um, called Y Combinator Fellowship FAQ because I see a lot of people online asking questions about the Y Combinator Fellowship FAQ. So, or about just about the Y Combinator Fellowship program. Um, so I just want to find a link really quick of this. But so when you start building your list, you can just add a title, you can add a description here. So I won't do that today, but you want to add also a link to some more information about the list you're building. Save it. Now you have your list here, and as you can see, it shows my link. It says who it's curated by. I can also go and see my profile and see other links. But I'm just going to start adding items to this link. So this is an FAQ, so each item on this list should just be a question. So one thing I've seen asked a lot is how many applicants are accepted to the fellowship. So now that we have this question here, I can, come along and upvote this question because I found it relevant and anybody can come in and collaborate. So let's see how that works. So here's another user I've created. Just for sake of demo here, I want to show, like, this person could be somebody who works at Y Combinator and can see this question and easily come in here and just comment and say they will accept 15 to 20 applicants. So I saw this online, I'm pretty sure it's accurate, so I add it here. And so now I've answered questions, but I might have a question of my own. So, what is the review process like? So anybody can come in and collaborate on these lists with you. And anybody can come in and upvote. Like now I can upvote this question because I think it's a great question, or maybe it helped me. Sort of like Stack Overflow in a way, but they're for any kind of list. It doesn't have to be programming. So let me show you some examples here of lists that I really like. So there's feature requests for TopChart itself. So I've learned a lot building TopChart and asking people questions, and I bring them to this page and they can tell me what kind of features they want in TopChart. So it seems like right now a lot of people really want a Twitter login, so I should probably do that. And like they'd like private lists. They'd like to see more gamification. They want to get credit for what they've added to these things. I can see the discussions on these. I can see every person who's upvoted this really easily, and I can also go and look at their profiles and see what kind of list they're building. And the reason why this is so powerful is because I can create this for any product that I'm building and quickly get feedback, and it's all in one place where everybody can see it online. It's public, and it makes it obvious, really clear what things you should be implementing in your application or your project. So the next thing I like to show is I've also created, I would be reading a book and I would just add points that I really love about this book here. And so here's an Elon Musk biography that I read, and I summarized the points that I really like and then shared it with other people. Other people will come in and upvote these things and comment on them. So they're kind of like, it's sort of like Reddit in a way, but it's very simple, Or you could even think about it Quora, where you can add questions and answers. And it also has links here, and this list has sold over $1,000 in goods on Amazon because I've linked out to books from here. So this is something where you can add links. Even if you want to sell something, it doesn't really matter to me because good products that sell a lot are welcome on lists here. So it could be a list of toys or whatever you have. You can also discover lists on TopChart. So here's all of the lists that are in startups, for example, sorted by relevance. So, you can see some things that are pretty funny too. Like I've seen worst, this one that was really funny today. Like here's one on reasons why startups will fail, and people upvote these, so you can be pretty sure that this one about no market or service for a product is probably really important for startups, and this can save you a lot of time where you might have to read 100 articles before you can have the knowledge that's all wrapped up into one sentence right here. Um, so I guess that's it for now. I hope that this is a good explanation of what TopChart is and how it works. If you have any questions, you can email Kurt at topchart.io. Thanks for watching.